Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is VIVO Y17S, and in this video I am going to show you how to disable OK Google on this device. Alright, so to do this, firstly we have to open our settings. Next we have to scroll down and find Google option, where we have to choose all services. Next, search assistant and voice, and Google Assistant. Now we are in the Google Assistant settings, where we have to click on the first option, Hey Google and voice match. And to do this, all you have to do is just click on this button and click OK. And that's how you disable Google Assistant. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!